Alia and I'll be talking about the introduction. First, content management system is a system for creating, organizing and governing digital content. It manages website content so that users can focus on front-facing aspects instead of building core infrastructure. It stores content in a structured database like MySQL. Now, let me introduce you to our website, which is Women's Safety System. It is a platform to support women whose complaints are usually neglected by the authorities. We ensure women's voices are heard and taken seriously. This system allows victims to submit incident reports securely. The Women's Safety System will close the distance between volunteers, victims, and our team. We also aim to create a responsive, understanding, and trustworthy support network. Overall, we empower women by ensuring no report goes unheard.
The problem that we address before developing the system is the significant barrier that many women face when reporting harassment or unsafe situations. Many women are afraid to speak up because they fear judgment, stigma, or retaliation. Even when they report, their case may be ignored or not taken seriously, which causes a lack of trust in authorities. There is also a lack of confidential and easily accessible platform for women to report incidents safely, and victims struggle to access essential support such as safety escort and counseling. There's a lack of proper system to manage case, and victims don't have a secure way to store evidence or track the progress of their case. On top of that, there are not enough trained volunteers available to help victims with legal advice or emotional support.
Every innovation must have objectives, so I will now explain the objectives of our women's safety system in more detail. The first objective is security and confidentiality. When a woman reports an incident, she needs a safe environment where her information is protected. Our system stores all data securely and uses controlled access, so only authorized people can view the reports. This gives women confidence and comfort when they want to share sensitive information. The second objective is efficiency and reliability. The team has developed the system using a centralized content management system structure. This means all reports, evidence files, volunteers, and categories are managed in one organized place, which is record management system. It reduces confusion, improves accuracy, and helps the administrators handle the information faster. A reliable system is important because it ensures the reports will not be lost or overlooked. The third objective focuses on improving the response quality of authorities and administrators. When the data is clear, structured, and easy to access, authorities can understand the situation quickly and respond more effectively. Accurate information also helps prevent miscommunication. This leads to a better decision-making, faster case updates, and more professional handling of sensitive situations. Finally, our fourth objective is accessibility. We want the system to be inclusive for all users, no matter where they live. Some women may live in the rural or low-income areas, so they may not have strong internet or a computer. So, our system is designed to be a mobile-friendly and simple to use. This ensures that every woman has equal access to support and reporting tools. In summary, our four objectives, which are security, efficiency, response quality, and accessibility, work together to make sure all system is safe, reliable, and truly useful for all women who need help.
Moving on to the methodology, we have 7 stages. First, planning. We define project goals, identify target users, determine the system scope and timeline creation. Secondly, requirement analysis. We identify the core problems faced by women when reporting incidents. Third, system design. We then design simple UI mockups and plan the database structure. Fourth, the development. To make it happen, we build and code the women's safety system modules. Fifth, testing. We also conducted functional testing like forms and login. Perform usability testing with simple user and fix bugs and errors. Sixth, implementation. We then host the website on a secure server. And lastly, for the maintenance, we fix bugs and errors and also update features when needed, monitor system performance, and also ensure the website runs smoothly.
The Women's Safety and Security System allows victims to report incidents confidentially, reducing fear and ensuring 24 hours accessibility. It strengthens trust by tracking cases transparently, securely storing evidence, and providing real-time volunteer support. And lastly, the system protects victim data, encourage women to speak up, and empower them to take action safely and privately.
Next, I will explain the commercialization potential of our women's safety system. The first commercial potential is through partnership opportunities. Our system can be offered to many types of organizations, such as other non-government organizations, women's shelters, universities, hospitals, and even government agencies. These organizations often need a reliable reporting platform, but many of them do not have the resources to build one themselves. By partnering with them, we can provide our system as a ready-made solution. This creates long-term collaboration and increases the system impact in the community. The second potential is that our system is ready for global expansion because it is built with flexible and good features. It can be easily be adapted for different countries. For example, we can add multilingual support, customized reporting categories based on local laws, and follow international data protection rules. This makes the system suitable not only for Malaysia, but also for international NGOs and global safety organizations. As technology grows, our platform can grow with it and serve more community worldwide. The third commercialization is the introduction of premium features, especially in mobile application. While the basic reporting functions can remain free for public use, more premium or advanced features can be offered to subscribers or one-time purchase. These premium features may include instant WhatsApp report updates, offline reporting mode, emergency source alerts, AI-generated risk summary, or bigger cloud storage for evidence files. Organizations can choose the features they need based on their budget and goals. Through strategic partnerships, international adaptability, and premium features, our system has stronger potential to grow and generate value. At the same time, it continues to support women's safety in a meaningful and sustainable way.
Novelty of the women's safety reporting and support system, I will cover 5 of it. The first one is anonymous and secure reporting. So it allows victims to report incidents without revealing their identity. And it also reduces fear of judgment, retaliation, and also exposure. The second one is centralized case management with accurate framework. They can use authentication, create, read, update, delete, and also search. So it will lead to ensure organized, fast, and systematic handling of cases. The third one is integrated volunteer support system. It connects victims directly with trained volunteers for escort or counseling and also helpline. So it also supports both emotional and also practical assistance. Fourth one, evidence upload feature. Users can upload photos, videos, or document as proof. It also ensures evidence is securely stored and linked to the correct report. Lastly is user-friendly and accessible interface. So the simple form for reporting and volunteer registration. Also, it was designed to be usable by women in rural or low-resource areas.
So for the next step, which is the demo. So this is the homepage of the website, which is Women's Safety Reporting and Support Platform. It is a trusted confidential system to help women report incidents, reach volunteers quickly, and access safety resources anytime and anywhere. So there are 2 buttons, which is report an incident or become a volunteer. And then if we scroll down, it has safety tips and alerts like share location. And what our platform provides, we have 3. So the first one is anonymous reporting, emergency assistance, and also secure the record. Below it has platform highlights. So we can survey how many visitors per day, and we support 24/7 support availability, and it is 100% privacy guaranteed, so you don't have to care about it. And the last one, it is a little bit about us. So our missions, which to empower women by providing a safe platform for reporting and support. So our vision is every woman should feel secure and supported in her community. So lastly, why women's safety system is important. So it is for quick reporting, instant volunteer assistance, and also accessible safety resources. So back to the home page, we have 3 buttons, which is home, report an accident, or be a volunteer. So when we click the report incident, so there are details that we need. So I'm going to there are a button for consent. So when we click right, it says allow sharing. So user can. So there are incident category. There are several of incident, which is cyberbullying, domestic violence, online harassment, other physical threat, public harassment, and also sexual harassment, and lastly stalking. For example, cyberbullying, so location, which is Instagram, and descriptions. For example, choose file, evidence, then it took place on August. Report received. The report, thank you, our team will review your report immediately. And then we click to the back to home. And then if the user wants to become a volunteer to protect other women from cyberbullying, you can click on this button and fill in everything. Gender obviously is a female, but male also can become a volunteer. So we click female button, and then for volunteer type, there are 3 different types, which are safety escort, life, and also counseling. So we click the counseling. Availability every day. And resume, this is optional. If you have one, you can submit. And then we click the submit application. And then it says thank you for volunteering. So and then we click to back to home. And then it went back to the home page. And when we click this WSS logo for 3 times, you can see the records, total reports. And see, we can view and also delete or edit. And then reports, we can choose either accept or reject. For example, when we click accept, okay. So it says pending reports are 0. There's total volunteers 3. So pending volunteers 2. So we can choose either to accept the volunteers or reject. For example, when we click reject, and then this one we click accept, and then report categories 8. So we can see how much. For example, cyberbullying 1. You can see the reports count here. Click back, and then volunteer rules, certificate score, and lastly the uploaded files. So we can see here is the resume that Muhammad Ikram provide. So when click this, it link to his resume. So this is reports overview. It's this one is pending and complete. This is volunteer overview, pending and also active. And I think that's it.